Hi, Mark Sugar here at Auto Clearing 331 Circle Drive West, and behind me I have the legendary Dodge Grand Caravan, and now it is the 35th anniversary of it. Follow me around here and I want to show you the side view of this one here. All right, so you can see that they do have the 35th anniversary badging right there, collector's edition here. Power doors, you just press them once, it's gonna open for you. These ones you can get in easier, in and out easier than most other vehicles here. Just click that once. Second row stows and goes, third row stows and goes as well. Also, backup camera on all the Dodge Grand Caravans now as well. So, you can see all the space right there. All these seats fold down, but it's better if you came in person. I'll show it to you because I'm not gonna stow and go all the seats right now, but trust me, this van is a legend, and we can go on a test drive, make sure we get the right one for you, pick the right color. We take trades, we do financing, whatever you want. Auto Clearing, 331 Circle Drive West in Saskatoon. Also, you can find us online at www.autoclearing.com. Talk to you soon. Hi, Mark Sugar here at Auto Clearing, 331 Circle Drive West. Right behind me here, I have the 35th, edit that. No, never mind, start again.